Okay, back. So I was just grinding. I finally finished all these. I'm at 10,000 pollen. Labor, try me, boy. We did finish pineapple picking. Pineapple picking goes there. So I'm gonna just do this. Once I'm done selling all my honey, I'm just gonna go there, complete that quest. Like, say I completed that quest, and yeah. Okay. What time is it? Oh, it's 11:35. Yeah, I'm not in school. Boy, yes. 11:35. I'm joking. It's 11:35 at night. See, it says it's 11:35 p.m. Whoa. They're mine. Dude, that guy's... I have 109 points. 109 points. I have 109 points. Last time I used this, I think I had 1,000, didn't I? Yeah, I think I flip. This is confusing. I know beetles. I fucking don't care about you. But I do care about my honey tokens. Yes. I need tokens then. I'm almost at 300 honey. Okay. Hey, I didn't say yes to the pineapple. Darn it. No. Yeah, you're stuck. 3,100. 31,000 honey. Okay, what's your next quest? Okay, discover 6 pizza. Collect 30,000 red. Also, you don't have to discover 12 bees to fire the yellow. You don't have to use the yellow cannon to get back there fast. If you go to this machine and you just jump down here, you can be at any level. You'll just jump down here. What happens is when you jump down here, this tunnel bear is going to chase you. But you don't have to worry about this tunnel bear if you don't want to kill it. What happens is you can just come here and press exit this tunnel. And then you'll exit out of there. And then you see you can, yeah, it's confusing. Yeah. I have made 157,000 honey today. And I've made 200,000 and 12,000 honey in my home. You know, actually, for me only playing this game okay, I've been playing this game for a year, but me starting on a new account and only been playing for 3 hours, I'm doing pretty good because I've only played 3 hours of this game on this account, and I'm already super good. 10. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see y'all later. Peace out.